Alright, these are some of the barn doors. This is one of the two barn doors that's going to occupy this whole area here. And here they are walking in with it. Yep. And here's Vivian talking to Ron in regards to the brick pavers that we want to get for the front. This is one room that's been done with flooring. Now look at that. Those doors are huge. This is the other room that's been done so far. And then we got out here, we got a bunch of action because we've got our gutters being replaced. Getting them repaired, replaced, and I'm up over here on the other end on a ladder painting this so you don't see the wonderful pink that apparently used to be there. Anywho, it's a busy day here at the Orozco residence. We've got doors going on, we've got gutters going, we've got somebody here talking to Vivian. I don't know if you could see him in there about pavers. Oh, we have our beautiful gardenia bushes blossoming. Look at, there's the old stuff over there. Again, really quick update in regards to, whoa, those doors are going to be so cool looking. Talking about the whole thing. Okay, door guys over here, gutter guys over here, and me being the painting guy over here now. Okay, gotta go. Bye.